Okay.
Hi, how are you?
No problem.
Oh, beautiful. Wow. Oh, this people, I am not for sale. You have an owner? You have an owner? You're not for sale, huh? You want to make it very clear that you are not for sale.
Hi, Jake.
Hi, Jake. He said he likes attention. He will not tolerate. He will not tolerate some women. He doesn't like some women. Nancy, his thing said he doesn't like some women. Do you like me? Because you are looking intently at me as if we need to have a conversation about, like, am I making you uncomfortable? What's up? Are we good? We good? No? Hey, Pebbles. Hey. Hi. So I heard that this one likes to dance and move. Hey. And I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. He said, I'm eating. Ho, I'm eating. It is brunch. Maybe he likes Drake. Give me a Drake song. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Will you ever leave from beside me? Cause I want you. No? You don't know the Kiki song? Yeah.
Oh, she always
Talk to me, baby. Can I talk to you? I really wanna meet you. Not today. It's okay. It's okay. You are nobody's monkey. You don't have to perform on demand. I ain't mad. Oh. What's this one saying? Hi, King. Hey, King.
Hey, King.
King is an African gray Congo.
Hey, King.
I like King. King. Hey, King.
King puts his head down so I can rub it.
Hey, pretties. What's your name?
That's probably for sale.
What's your name? What's your name? Aww. You camera shy. They got real quiet now. Why are you so intense? What's up, Max? Hey. What's going on? What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? You playing? He's talking to me. You're playing? Hey, Max. Max. Say TV Takeover. Say I love Jody. Say Jody. Jody. TV Takeover. Takeover. here.
Oh, wow. Look at Poncho. Poncho cost $2,400. Let's take Poncho home, baby.
What up, Poncho?
Let's take Poncho home. Hey,
What up, Poncho?
Hey, I ain't playing with you, Poncho, because you might bite me for real.
What up, Poncho?
Let's take you home, Poncho.
Yes.
Cauley?
You are gorgeous. Huh? Do you love me? Are you riding? All right. Bye. All right, start. We just met a bird, guys, that has a job. His name is Penny. So to you fuck niggas out there, you have absolutely no excuses. If a goddamn bird got a job, I'm gonna need you to get it together. Get it together. Shout out to Penny and her job. Go on, girl. Make your coins. Secure that bag, bitch. Secure that bag. Okay, secure the cage, bitch. Hey.